guys, so I'm doing another wedding book layout, and I was not going to film any of the matting, which you can see I've already started, and then I realized sometimes that's what people want to see. So I went ahead and turned it on. So far all I've matted was this picture of me looking horrible because I just got done crying, and my babies when they were babies. They are not babies anymore. They are 7 years older than they were in this picture. So 12, 14, and 15 at the moment. So yeah, none of them look like this. I still look a hot mess, and my husband's still handsome as ever. So other than that, the kids are the only thing that's changed. So I've matted it with just plain black cardstock, cardstock or paper, one of the two, and then I put the pink vellum behind there, and I did it where I could cover that up. But anyway, I pulled all these papers. If you go back to the unboxing, you'll see who, what, when, where, and why. Well, maybe not all that information, but I pulled this all out of the kit, and this piece I'm layering onto now has like velvet, I think is what it's called, and I'm just, oh, that's right, that's what I was going to do. Forgetting what I'm doing, that's all I'm doing. I'm going to mat this piece onto this piece down here with all these keys on it, and give this a black border. I'll go down here. I'll go a little bit bigger so you can see that they're keys. Ah, that scared me. Oh, you know what? I don't think I could go bigger because this piece is already cut. Alright, we'll see when we get there. That's another reason why I don't, I don't know if y'all are straight or not. I don't normally video this part because I take forever. Dum-de-dum-dum. I think I might have to cut that down pretty slim. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see the keys after all, but what are you gonna do? I am going with the mistakes happen motto, and I'm gonna roll with them, because isn't that life in a nutshell for me? Let me pick up this background paper that I have here. Let's see, are you gonna fit? Ooh, barely, my friend, barely. Alright, let's get you out of the way. Okay, now let's get the background in, and I think that'll be fine. Okay, I'm going with it. Probably shouldn't film this part because I'm probably going to put it on crooked, and that I don't want to do. Nope. About as straight as it gets around here, fellas, ma'ams, sirs. And I don't think I'm going to pop that up, because so many layers already. Put extra tape on there because all the layers. Now this, I don't know if you, yes you can see. Are you guys crooked? I can't tell. And I noticed in the last video I did, I kept seeing you guys inch down. So sorry about that. I don't do it on purpose. It just seems to happen to me. Okay, so my original plan was to have both of these on the layout, because this is one him up and down, but his head's kind of cut off, Dwayne's. But I'm not going to get rid of it because I don't know if I showed you guys. I think I did. Any that I don't use, I'm going to put into a smaller album that's just like a flip through album, so I don't waste any of it. Committed. All right, and I'm gonna just toss this over here. Now I need to get these out of the way. You should see my bed. It looks a hot mess. I got papers everywhere. Papers everywhere. And I don't think I'm going to add any more paper. I don't think I'm going to add a title. Do I add a title? I just picked up some new stickers because isn't that what I do? Not funny, Shannon. Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Are these new? I think they're new. Ooh, I like that one right there. Cut the cake. None of those are going to fit our happily ever after. I'm going to have it come off of this pink right there. Always love you. Always. No. Where are the stinking stickers? Here they go. Alright. Family. I like that one. Come on. Do I actually, you know what? I don't know. See, I don't want to be like that. Make your yeses yeses and your noes be noes. Oh yeah, that matches the background too. Perfection. Oh, we don't tear it, crazy lady. Okay. Alright, alright. Is this gonna stick? Maybe, maybe not. Love it. Ooh. And, you know, I just can't get right sometimes. And, hey, sticker sheet done. I don't care how little it is, sticker sheet's done. Okay. Oh, our wedding would be cute. Because I had my son walk me down the aisle. Anjane was the flower girl. And I just like the idea of our, because, you know, it's a struggle. And anybody who's married with stepchildren know. I'm gonna wait on that one because I feel like I'll have a different picture for that. They know how it is to have blended family, and it's not always easy, and you run into a lot of speed bumps, and that would have been so much better together. Okay. You know, you just keep on mushing though. You can't let it bring you down, that's for sure. I brought it out for this one. came off. Oh, maybe I'll just put it down here. Love our wedding. That's gonna go off the edge. Oh well. Make it work. Okay. Dum. Are these? Yeah, stickers. Let's see if we can get 18 more words on here. Let me stop. I'm just kidding. Ooh, that's nice. Can you guys? Yeah, okay. And we'll put some up here. But what? Smile? Sparkle, shooting star, life. I'd love to put my fabulous family. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Let's not make the video 18 hours long, just 3. Okay, now. Oh! Get some silver and gold up in her. Bring in a heart down here. Silver heart up here. Now I'm gonna do some dots. Be right back. Okay. We Are Royals by Spiegelmom Scraps. And some iridescent looking ones. Those right there. Alright. Probably went overboard with the sequins, but they're just so gorgeous. Anyway, let me show you. The We Are Royals has bunches of blue in it, but I picked out the pink. And then there were some flowers in there as well. Alright guys, I will see you next time. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye!